how to create your own website and earn money. So I was able to create this amazing looking website that I monetize with affiliate marketing to make money. And this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do the exact same thing. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. I'm having a link of this platform in the video description down below. Click on it. It is going to bring you right here. So over here where you can simply come to where it says sign up for free, then come and click on it. So over here, all that you have to do is to simply create an account. You can do so by clicking on sign up with Google in one click, or you can simply come down here to where it says sign up with email and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, all that you have to do is to simply come here and then come and put in your email address, and then come down and come and put in your first name, you put in your last name, you create a strong password, then you come and click on create account. I'm simply going to go with the shortcut and then come and click on sign up with Google in one click. Okay, so after clicking on it, you'll be logging directly to your dashboard just like this one. Okay, so from the dashboard, simply come here to where it says build sites with AI, and then come and select that one. So you're going to go through all these series of steps in order to create your website for you for totally free. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to simply come here and then come and give some basic information about your website to the AI. So the basic information include the name of the website. Simply come down and come and put it right here. So I'm going to call the name of my website as Buy Best Reviews. Okay, Buy Best Reviews is the name of my website. So after that, simply come down here to where it says this website is for. Come and click on it. Okay, and then you can select any of these categories, but if you don't find exactly what you want, simply come here to where it says type here and then come and type in exactly what you want. So I'm simply going to do product reviews and then monetize with affiliate link. So this is what I'm going to type in, and then when it comes, simply come and then select product reviews. Okay, so you also have the opportunity to simply come and then select the language that you want by clicking on the down arrow, and then you can choose any of the language. I'm simply going to leave mine at the default, and then simply come here to where it says the continue, and then come and click on it. Over here, you have to come and then describe your website in few words so that the AI can use it to create an amazing website for you. So come and write something about the website. Okay, you can also come down here to where it says write using AI, and then come and click on it. Here the AI is going to automatically generate something based on the name of your website, just like this one. What you have to do is that you have to come and then edit it to fit your business preference. Okay, so after doing some changes and then editing it, you can simply come here to where it says improve using AI and then come and click on it, and then based on your editing, it will regenerate a different one for you. Okay, so you can switch through from what was generated first by clicking here the back arrow, and then beside that one you can also switch to the current one by clicking on the forward arrow. Okay, so when you are okay and then you have described your website, you can simply come down here to where it says continue, and then come and click on the continue. After that, what you have to do is to simply come and then give some contact details. That is what your customer is going to use to locate you. Okay, so the first one that you can come and put is your email address. I prefer business email address. Beside that one, you can also come and then put in your phone number right here. If it's a business phone number, it is the best. Beside that one, you can also come here and then come and put in your address. And then if it is a business address, either physical or digital, that one is the best. You can also come and then add in your social media handles to it by simply coming down here to the plus sign and come and click on it. Then you can add any of these social media handles to it. It is going to be used to build your website for you. I'm going to skip all these by simply coming down here to where it says skip step, and then I click on it. So over here, what you have to do is to come and select free stock images, which is going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, you can sort through the pictures by simply coming here to click on any of these categories. Okay, and then the one that you click on it, those pictures are going to come. You can select it. So after selecting it, those pictures are the ones that is going to be used to build your website for you. You can find your selected images from the selected images. When you click on it, you will see the image that you have selected. Let's say you want to delete any of the images. All that you have to do is to simply come and then click on the delete icon. and it will be removed. Okay, and then make sure that you don't select more than 20 images at a time. You can always add them later. Okay, beside that one, you can also come to where it says upload your images, click on it, and then you can upload your own unique images. Okay, and then when uploading it, make sure that you pick any of these picture formats, and then make sure that you don't upload more than 20 images at a time. You can always add them later. Okay, you can also come to where it says search results, click on it, and then you can find new pictures and then add it to be used to build your website for you. So when you're okay, simply come and then click on the continue, and the next thing you have to do is to come and select the structure of your website. Okay, that is how the whole website is going to look like. You can simply put the mouse on any of these structure, and it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to go through and then select one, and then that is that is how my website is going to look like. Okay, so this is what I've selected. If you have a site logo, you can simply come to where it says upload file here, come and click on it, and your logo is going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, so that one, you can also come here to where it says font pair, and then select any of the fonts that you want, and that is how your website is going to look like. You can also come here to where it says the color palette, then come and select the color that you prefer, and that is how your website is going to look like. Okay, so you can always come here to where it says back to other designs, and then come and select it, and then change the whole design if you don't like the one that you have selected. So when you're okay with everything, simply come here to where it says continue, and then come and click on the continue. Okay, the next thing I have to do is to come and select any of these features. Some of them will be selected for you automatically. So among them is the blog. So as you can see, the blog has been selected for you automatically, and then the contact form has been selected for you automatically as well. But you have the chance to either select the donation or the free live chat as well. So if you like it, simply check the box. If you don't like it, simply come here and uncheck the box, and it's not going to be used to build the website for you. Okay, beside that one too, you also have the page builder, which has been selected for you automatically. The automation tool is here, the video player is here, but I'm going to skip all of these by coming here to where it says skip and then start building, then I click on it. Okay, so this is a glimpse of all that we have done. You can simply come here to where it says start building the website, and then click on it so that the AI can start building the website for you. So over here, what you have to do is to simply sit back, relax, and then wait for the AI to build the website for you. But sometimes you will wait and wait and wait, and it will not complete. The 100% will not come. Don't worry, what you have to do is to simply come to the website again, and then come and click on the login. I have the link in the video description. Okay, so you are going to be logged in directly to your dashboard just like this. From the dashboard, come to the starting side and then come and click on it, and then you are going to see the site that you have built. Okay, so this is our website that we have built. Simply come here to the action side, and then under it you have the three dots. Come and click on it, and then come and select the login credentials. Okay, so click on it, and then you are going to see your credentials that you are going to use to log in. You can copy it somewhere, but the most important thing is the website URL. Okay, that is your main website that you have created. Simply come and then click on the forward icon, and this will come. Okay, so it says that the website is temporary. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So come and put in OK here, and then come down here and then come and click on the submit. Okay, so you'll be logging directly to your website just like this one. So we have successfully created our website for totally free. Okay, so that is it. But what you have to do is that we have to log in to WordPress directly. Okay, so simply come to the URL of your website, and then come and add /wp-admin to it, /wp-admin, just like this one, and then hit enter. Okay, so over here what you have to do is to simply come and put in your username and then password. So come here and then come and copy your username first by clicking on the copy, and then come and paste it here, and then the password to simply come here and then click on the copy, and then come here and then come and paste the password, and then come and click on the login, and then you'll be logging directly to your WordPress dashboard just like this one. You can view your site by putting the mouse on the name of your website and then coming to click on visit site, and then we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard, and then our website is live. But when you look at the top side here, you see that the website is going to expire within 24 hours. It simply means that the web builder does not host our website for us. So we have to move our website to a permanent web host. Okay, so let me show you step by step how to do that. Simply come and then put the mouse on the name of your website and then come and select down here plugins. Okay, so when you click on it, simply come here to the plugins. Okay, and then come and click on add new plugin. So over here, what you're going to do is to simply come and then click on upload plugin. Okay, and then simply come down here to where it says choose file. Okay, choose file. We are going to upload our plugin here. Okay, then what you have to do is to simply go to Google and then type in WP Vivid Backup plugin, just like this one, and then hit enter. Okay, so when it comes, go to the wordpress.org and then click on it. Okay, so it will bring you right here, and then you are going to see that WP Vivid Backup is here. Come here to where you have the download and then come and click on the download. So when you click on it, you'll see that it is downloading. Wait for it to finish downloading, and then we are going to upload it. Okay, so it has downloaded successfully. Now we can simply come to the choose file, click on it, and then we can simply come and then select it and then come and click on the open. Okay, and over here simply come here and then come and click on the install now. So when you click on it, it is going to be installed, and as you can see, the plugin is installed successfully. Simply come and then click on activate plugin. Okay, and from the settings, you are going to see under it we have WP Vivid Backup is here. What that you have to do is simply come here to the backup and then restore. Under it, come and make sure that database plus file is checked, and then also come and make sure that save backups to local is checked as well. Okay, and then simply come here to where we have the backup now, and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, this is going to backup, and then when you come here to the backups, okay, under the backups, when you come here, you are going to see that your website has backup right here. Simply come to the download. Under it, come and click on the download. Okay, and then come here to where we have the file. Under the file, I'm going to see the file size. In front of it, come and click on the download. Okay, so when you click on it, your website is going to be downloading just like this one. So the website is downloading. Wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so let's come and check, and it has finished downloading successfully. We can open it by simply coming here to click on the open folder, and then this is our downloaded website. So we have been able to create our own website that we are going to use to make money, and then we have downloaded it. The next important thing about making money with your website is that you have to host it. We have two ways of hosting the website. We have a paid way of hosting the website, and then we have a free way of hosting the website. I'm having a full video walking you through step by step the two ways of hosting it on my channel. Watch it and then let's continue.